Hey guys, it's Ewok Pilot here, and today we're going to be taking a look at my custom LEGO mini scale invisible hand, and we're going to be doing a little tutorial about it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So of course, here's the invisible hand right here, and that's relatively accurate to what it's supposed to be. Of course, because of the scale I built it at, there had to be some, like the stripes and stuff, they're all dumbed down just a little bit. And the main noticeable thing right here is there's only 2 engines right here when there should be 3. But I really wanted to build it to scale with this polybag Venator so I can create this great scene right here. It's just there we go, yeah, this scene like this. You know, from episode 3 at the beginning. Well, yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the build for this guy. So for the first section, these are all the parts you're going to be needing, so if you want to pause the video right here and go look for them, you can. But basically, you're going to need to start by taking any 2x8 plate. Doesn't have to have these holes in it. This is the one I had lying around. You're going to take a 2x2 plate or tile. No, this is a plate. I want to put it right there. Just like that. You're going to take 2 1x2 jumpers, and you're going to want to put them both on top of the 2x2 plate like that. Next, you're going to take this 2x2 tile, offset it by 1 set of studs like this. I want to take 2 1x1 tiles. I want to place them on there just like this. And you want to take whatever this 1x2 is. I want to place it on the back just like that. And then, moving this to the side for a second, you're going to want to take this 1x1 brick with studs on the side. And you want to build an assembly that resembles this, that, and then you want to take this 1x2, place it on the bottom like so. And you're going to flip this over, and the third from the very back, the third hole, as you can see right there, is where you're going to want to place that. And there you go, we have finished the very first section of our invisible hand. Alright guys, so these are the pieces you're going to be needing for the top of this back section. And so once again, you're going to start with this 1x6 right here, 2x6 actually. It doesn't have to have the holes in it again, it's just the one I had. So you're going to want to take this 1x2 brick, stick it on the bottom like that. And you're going to want to take a 1x2 gray tile, and then a 1x2 dark blue tile, and then you're going to want to do that one more time to get a pattern that looks like this. So right now that should be your build so far. Next you're going to take 2 1x2 jumper plates. Want to attach them just like that. Then you want to take this 1x2 plate, get your little 1x1 little studless circular piece. I dropped it. Alright, and you're going to want to attach it just like so. Then you're going to want to put it right on there like that. And next you're going to want to take these little 1x1 bricks that are a little indented and have the studs on the side like that. We're going to want to take these first are the ones that aren't indented but have studs on the side. And you're gonna wanna place this on the side just like that. And then you're gonna wanna attach it to these to where it's facing upward like that. And then you're gonna wanna attach this to the bottom. So you have an assembly that looks kind of like this. I'm gonna take this 1x1 cheese slope, just place it on the jumper plate we attached, and then these two will be for the engines, and they'll just go right there on the back. Next, you want to take in the last assembly we just made, and then you're gonna want to place this right here where we don't have anything, just like that. And there you go, you have successfully completed the back half of the invisible hand. Alright guys, so next on our invisible hand, we got like the neck section of it. So this is going to be the part that combines the, I guess you could call it the head area and the back body with the hanger that we just built. So you're going to want to start by taking your 1x4 like this. You're going to take this 1x3 tile, just place it on like that. Take your 1x1 cheese slope and attach it right here like this. Next, you want to take your 1x3. On the end of it, you're going to put a 1x1 plate and a 1x1 tile, just to make sure it all lines up. You're going to press it like that, and then you're just going to attach it onto here like this. Next, you're going to want to take these, and you're just going to want to stack them both up. Stack both of these 1x1s into two little stacks. You could also just easily take two 1x2s, but I don't have enough of those to do that. And you want to flip this over right there. I'm just going to want to attach that like that. So you should have something that looks like this. And now you can bring in this body right here. And you're going to want to attach it onto these jumpers right here. And there you go. This is your invisible hand so far. Next, we just got to build the head. Alright guys, and lastly, we're going to be building the head section of this invisible hand. So, to start off, you're going to want to take this piece right here, and you're going to want to attach the 1x1 cheese slope to it, not at that angle. It's just hard to build with one hand. You're gonna have it like that. You're gonna take this yellow brick, the yellow 1x1 plate, just like this. And you're gonna wanna place a 1x1 tile right on top like that. And you're gonna set that to the side. Next, you wanna take this right here. On the bottom, you're going to want to place a 1x2 and then a 1x1. You could do just a 1x3 on the bottom, but I, again, don't have any. You're going to want to take this 2x1 jumper, black jumper. You're going to want to place it to where it's like this. Just like that. And then at the end, you're going to want to put this right here. And you can take this little assembly we made earlier. Going to want to attach right there. And you're going to take this clear 1x2. Just stick it on the bottom underneath that jumper right there. And then gonna bring in the rest of what we've got so far, and you're just gonna attach the assembly like that. And there you go, guys. You've completed your invisible hand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely had a lot of fun making it and designing this ship. It's been I've been working on it for quite a while, trying to get it to look as accurate as possible with this small scale, and to get it to look good next to this small Venator set. So if you enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more like it, leave a comment down below. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like rating. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.